Imagine a land where turquoise lakes shimmer beneath towering mountains. Endless forests stretch beyond the horizon, and waterfalls roar through untouched wilderness. Welcome to Canada, one of the most naturally beautiful countries on Earth. From the breathtaking peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the peaceful shores of crystal-clear lakes, Canada is home to some of the most stunning landscapes you will ever see. In today's video, we're taking you on a journey to discover 15 of the most stunning places in Canada that look like they belong in a dream. Make sure to watch until the end, because the #1 destination is truly unforgettable. Let's begin our adventure. Located in Nova Scotia, this breathtaking park is famous for the Cabot Trail, one of the most scenic coastal drives in the world. Here, dramatic cliffs meet the deep blue Atlantic Ocean, while forests and valleys create an incredible landscape. During autumn, the park transforms into a sea of red, orange, and golden colors, making it one of the most beautiful fall destinations in Canada. Hidden in the Canadian Rockies, Yoho National Park is a paradise of waterfalls, emerald lakes, and towering peaks. One of the highlights here is Takako Falls, one of the tallest waterfalls in Canada. The sound of rushing water and the peaceful alpine scenery make this park truly magical. Located in New Brunswick, Hopewell Rocks is famous for its giant flower pot-shaped rock formations, created by the powerful tides of the Bay of Fundy. At low tide, visitors can walk on the ocean floor around these massive rocks. Just a few hours later, the same area becomes completely covered with water, creating a fascinating natural wonder. On the wild west coast of Vancouver Island lies the charming town of Tofino. This destination is known for its dramatic beaches, crashing waves, and peaceful forests. Tofino is also one of the best places in Canada for surfing, whale watching, and storm watching during winter. Jasper is the largest national park in the Canadian Rockies, and one of the most beautiful. Visitors can explore stunning locations such as Moraine Lake, famous for its bright blue water, and Spirit Island. At night, Jasper becomes one of the best places in the world for stargazing. This powerful waterfall in Alberta may not be the tallest, but it is definitely one of the most dramatic. The rushing water crashes through narrow rock formations, creating an unforgettable sight. The surrounding scenery of forests and mountains makes Athabasca Falls even more breathtaking. Stepping into Quebec City feels like entering a European fairy tale. With its cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and charming atmosphere, it is one of the most beautiful cities in North America. The iconic Chateau Frontenac overlooks the St. Lawrence River and adds to the city's magical beauty. Moraine National Park. Located in Newfoundland, Moraine is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its unique landscapes. Here you will find dramatic fjords, towering cliffs, and ancient rock formations. One of the highlights is Western Brook Pond, a stunning fjord surrounded by massive cliffs. Mont-Tremblant is one of the most beautiful mountain destinations in eastern Canada. During winter, it becomes a popular ski resort, while summer offers hiking, lakes, and scenic views. The colorful village at the base of the mountain looks like a postcard. The Bay of Fundy is home to the highest tides in the world. Every day, millions of tons of water move in and out of the bay, creating powerful tides and dramatic coastal scenery. Visitors can explore caves, cliffs, and unique rock formations. Niagara Falls is one of the most famous natural wonders on Earth. The massive waterfalls create a thunderous roar, as millions of gallons of water plunge down every second. Seeing Niagara Falls up close is an unforgettable experience. Whistler is one of the most popular mountain destinations in North America. It is famous for its world-class ski slopes and stunning alpine scenery. During summer, visitors enjoy hiking, mountain biking, and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Located in Banff National Park, Moraine Lake is famous for its incredible turquoise color. Surrounded by the dramatic Valley of the Ten Peaks, this lake is one of the most photographed places in Canada. The view here is simply unforgettable. Banff National Park is a true natural paradise. Visitors can explore stunning lakes, towering mountains, and beautiful forests. One of the most famous spots here is Lake Louise, known for its crystal clear turquoise water. Taking the #1 spot is the breathtaking city of Vancouver. Surrounded by mountains and ocean, Vancouver offers a perfect blend of urban life and natural beauty. From Stanley Park to scenic coastal views, it's one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Canada is truly a land of incredible landscapes, breathtaking nature, and unforgettable destinations. From the turquoise lakes of the Rocky Mountains to the powerful waterfalls and dramatic coastlines, every corner of this country offers something magical. Which of these stunning places would you love to visit the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through Canada's most beautiful destinations, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing travel videos from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.